school uniform is jeans and a hoodie. And even many teachers have jeans and hoodies. We have very much also non-academic subjects, which is very important because not every child is going to go to the university. Half of our kids go to vocational studies. School has to be fun. School has to be so you want to go to school every day. Kids learn to do, they just not sit down and listen and teachers just pouring information in. They have to learn to make new information by themselves. Well, there's always the basic things you have to learn, but it's good to have in every school system also these optional courses. For example, in Finland, teachers are called by their first name.
Допустим, в Финляндии учителей называют по имени.
So the relationship is quite near. I'm Kari, or I used to be called Rexi. That's a nickname for principal. They just shout, "Hey Rexi, hi." Forget heavy testing. Now in Finnish schools we've had self-evaluation for many years already. But then one thing is to give teachers more possibility to influence what's happening inside the school.
Но в любом случае хочу сказать, что учителям нужно дать больше свободы влиять на те вещи, которые происходят внутри школы.